Okay, so I am in this crawl space that has been previously encapsulated by another company, and I'm going to walk you through this one and show you the many things that have gone horribly wrong here. This customer really just is a friend of another customer that we just wrapped up, and they saw all of our quality work, asked us to come take a look at this crawl space that keeps flooding out and the many other issues. So we're going to go ahead and walk you guys through this and why it's important to really do your research, and you'd be surprised at the workmanship of some of these companies. So here we go. Now the very first thing that you can see is there's tape kind of just falling off the wall. The company used little roofing nails, it's like the hold down felt paper to try to hold all this down. So this isn't sealed well at all. Tried to use tape to just bond to this. I'm not even sure what that is, but again, multiple layers. This isn't attached at all. It's just leaned up against there and taped at the bottom. Never seen that before. All this foam board, as you can see, isn't actually adhered. There's these little nails, but this doesn't go into block, so I don't know what the deal is there. Here's what they did and just threw this up against there. You can see that the adhesive and how they tried to get this to bond to that. I don't even know what they were doing there. But they didn't know how to wrap the columns there. There's no inspection gap. There's holes with duct tape, looks like. I was trying to use to seal that. This is just a complete hodgepodge mess. I don't know what's going on. I can see that the tape has come off down there, so there's nothing stopping the moisture from the ground getting back up here into the crawl space. I'll take a further look down here, see what we got. You can see where the water staining's coming in. Say after every rain, a bunch of water comes in here and they're having to extract it. You can see all the water staining there coming in. All the water staining, so this is flooding out pretty good. Definitely don't think that there was a mold remediation done. You can see how dirty these pipes are and everything. Let's see what else we got here. I hear a dehumidifier running. Whoa, what is this? What do we got here? Okay, multiple dehumidifiers, and dehumidifiers that aren't even plugged in. Did they go bad? Is this one plugged in? Nope, that one's not plugged in either. So we got dehumidifiers that the customers paid for that aren't even plugged in. 2 of them in the exact same spot, which is weird in itself. You can see that this vapor barrier, all this insulation board is just, haphazardly taped and pushed against. It's really just leaning against the wall. So I don't think this company had any clue of what they were really doing. This is crazy. So those are the condensate lines. I'm not sure what they're doing with those, because they're not on a condensate pump. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No, they did not. Yes, they actually cut into the sewer line, and they're putting the condensate pump into the sewage line. Oh, that's against code. So, you really, I say this time and time again, got to be careful who you hire to work in your crawl space, because this is just some very pitiful work. You got companies just drilling into your sewage line and everything else. You know, got some issues. See all their trash still left here. But we're going to have to rip this entire thing out and install our HydroSeal system and actually take care of the problem. It's really unfortunate that, you know, they're going to have to pay twice to have this job done. So if you have crawl space issues, once again, please do your research and then call HydroHero 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks so much, everybody.